Okay, so hello everyone, and I am here to present to you the researches that I have found to be using the intelligent systems. Okay, for the first research, monitoring of coral reefs. So basically this research was using artificial neural networks as well as convolutional neural networks to be able to use a cost-effective and practical solution in monitoring coral reefs. They also applied machine learning and AI for automation and consistency. For the materials and methods, the product used was the XL-CSS, which is also the product of the research, and the images were taken every 3 seconds in 70 centimeter speed as well as 1.5 meters from the sea floor at the depth of 10 meters. The results were good, and it was able to address the problem of cost effectiveness, and it was able to beat the manual monitoring in productivity, and also it has higher consistency than the manual method. For the lessons applied, so in this research they were able to apply computational intelligence since it was able to predict or determine the model's accuracy rate. It was also using neural networks, again the artificial and convolutional, and for the intelligent system they were able to evaluate the patterns. For the second research, estimating the heating load of buildings for smart city planning using the algorithm PSO-XGBoost, published by Applied Sciences. For the summary, basically the research were using 5 different models, as well as they made a new one with using the PSO algorithm or particle swarm optimization algorithm. Materials and methods, so the 5 models were SVM, CART, RF, GP, and XGBoost. And the hybrid model, the model they have made was the PSO XGBoost. It is just XGBoost combined with PSO algorithm. So there are 768 buildings analyzed, as well as 69 buildings from Vietnam. For the results, there are 5 indices of performance. So the RMSE, R2, MAE, VAF, and MAPE. So it is shown in here that the PSO XGBoost was able to outperform the 5 models of heating load measurement. For the lessons applied, it was able to apply computational intelligence for the model's accuracy, as well as the rules, because it was using a logical algorithm for accurate performance. So for the third research, an effective GPU implementation of breadth first search, published by Design Automation Conference. Okay, for the summary, the research was able to use the breadth first search and for hierarchical queue management. So they used it in hopes of efficient GPU processing. For the materials and methods, the GPU used was NVIDIA GTX 280, and the specs of the computer used was using the Opteron processor, 2.4 GHz, and 8 GB of memory. The applications used was CUDA applications. The results were surprising because it was able to achieve 10 times faster GPU processing. So as you can see in here, that the CPU BFS, the one that is using the GPU using the CPU BFS, it was able to outperform the other models of GPU. The lessons applied was breadth first search. So basically it is a common algorithm used in different programming disciplines. Okay, so that's all. Thank you everyone.